The Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G 2023 version for quicker wireless. So the Moto G 5G is a new budget smartphone for quicker wireless. It is now available in a ink blue color. Fenders look very nice, minus the blue color in my personal opinion. The Moto G 5G 2023 version is now available for $179.99. So that is if you're a new customer. Let's see if there's any discounts. It's $179.99 for existing customers also. Looks like there's no discounts. So $179.99 across the board. So yeah, so there is the phone right there. Very nice looking phone, like I said, minus the blue color in my personal opinion. So y'all guys have your y'all guys will have your hole punch for your front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. They're pretty nice wallpaper. So yeah. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here, and you have a slight camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. Speaking of the back, you guys got a dual camera setup. Looks like dual flash and your motor with a logo down the back, and very nice looking back. It looks black on it looks black on screen here, but it is an ink blue color, so that's kind of interesting. I don't know if it's like a dark blue color or what, but it kind of looks black on screen, so pretty interesting nonetheless. So the Moto G 5G 2023 version has a 6.5 inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. It says here, introducing Moto G 5G. Make the most of today's networks with a super fast Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor. Captures super sharp photos day or night with an advanced 48 megapixel camera system and multi-dimensional sound of Dolby Atmos backed by stereo speakers, plus do it all without worrying about battery life or storage space. There's a massive 5,000 mAh battery and plenty of room for photos, movies, apps, and games. Supercharge your creativity with Moto G 5G. Features super fast 5G performance. Get the speed you need to make the most of 5G connections with a Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor. Advanced 48 megapixel camera system. Capture beautifully detailed photos day or night and explore up close with a dedicated macro vision lens. It says that the 48 megapixel sensor combines 4 pixels into one for an effective photo resolution of 12 megapixels. Okay, so keep that in mind. Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. Immersive soft and multi-dimensional sound. Listening with improved bass, cleaner visuals, cleaner vocals, and more clarity. So that's pretty nice. Specs, it has Android 13, so that's very good. Dimensions on the Moto G 5G is 6.46 inches height, 2.95 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The screen display, like I just mentioned, 6.5 inch HD plus display. That is a 120 Hz display, so that is not a typo. That is fucking insane. 120 Hz display. That is correct. So for $180, you're getting a pretty good, you're getting a pretty sweet deal here. So 120 Hz refresh rate, that is correct. 128 gigabytes of storage. Your connectivity options for the Moto G 5G are Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, mobile hotspot, of course, Wi-Fi calling, Type C, and Bluetooth 5.0. Cameras, you guys get dual cameras on the rear, 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro camera lens, and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. It has a Snapdragon 480 plus 5G chipset, 5,000 mAh battery, and there's a hair and neck compatibility is there. Alright. Accessories, they do got some accessories here. Like phone cases, and stuff like that. screen protectors and whatnot. So if you guys want to get more accessories, go to Amazon and type in Moto G 5G 2023 to get your accessories there. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys go. The Moto G 5G 2023 version is now here at quicker wireless for $129.99. Doesn't matter if you're new customer or current customer. It's $129.99. It's definitely worth the price, in my opinion. Because it has great specs and features for that price. You're getting 5G, of course. You're getting a 120 Hz display. That is correct. So 180. That's a fucking steal right there, and it's definitely worth picking up. The phone looks black on screen there, but it says that the phone color isn't ink blue color, but it looks black on screen. So it might look blue in person, but besides that, the phone looks very nice. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys next one. Peace out.